Okay, this is another one of these how much to break even questions. And what it means to break even is when your costs and your income balance out, are exactly the same amount. Okay, so let's read it. Producing a musical costs $88,000 plus $5,900 per performance. We can see that these are costs. And this is one cost. That is apparently a one-time thing plus a per performance amount. Okay? And one sold out performance earns $7,500 in revenue. Revenue is brought in. Okay, so that's going to be a per performance situation. So if every performance sells out, meaning every performance earns you $7,500, how many performances are needed to break even? So we will say we first want to define the variables. So let's do that. We will say, I typically use X and Y. You don't have to. You could say, but I'm just going to use X and Y, okay, for now. We will say, let X, it seems like a weird way of saying it maybe, but that's what you do. You say, let X equal. We're going to let X equal the number of performances. Because all of this will depend on the total amount of money will depend on the number of performances. So the number of performances will be the independent variable, and then the amount of money will depend on that. So that will be the dependent variable. Okay. Let me see if I can switch colors within there. Okay. And so thanks for your patience. So then we should say let Y equal the, let's say, total amount. And of course, it's really important when you're talking about something like money to say, what's the unit of measure for this? And we're going to call it dollars. Oops. And as you can see, I'm still having a little bit of trouble with my thing. So give me a second here to retype this correctly. Total amount. There you go. Okay, thank you. Now, how do we write the equations? Well, if we say Y is the total amount for costs, we can say, let's pick a color here. Let's pick a color for the costs, which we had used up top. Y equals, we're going to pay $88,000. That will be that one-time cost. That's going to be the constant. We typically put that here at the end. And how much are we paying per performance? $5,900. And so we need to multiply that by the number of performances. And in this case, that's the variable X. So you get Y, the total money that you're going to pay out, is equal to $5,900 times X times the number of performances plus that 88,000. Okay, I wrote that kind of funny, but we'll go with it. Now, how much do you earn? Money brought in, also going to be a dollar amount. That's why I just said total amount in dollars right there, because it's in one equation, it's money paid out, another equation, it's money brought in. But Y equals, how much are you bringing in per performance? You're bringing in $7,500 per performance. And you're not bringing in any extra one-time cost, so you don't have any constant sitting here at the end. So there are your two equations. Now you have a system of equations. Now you can put them together and solve it. You can use substitution. They're both equal to Y, so you could set them equal to each other. And you'll have to then, if you put them together saying they're both equal to Y, so they're equal to each other, for example, like this, 7500X equals 5900X plus 88,000, and you solve that for X, you will find out the total number of performances, and of course you'll need to plug it back in to find out. Actually, no, you won't. You could, but they're just asking if every performance sells out, how many performances are needed to break even. So I suppose you could just find out X in this case, and that would answer the question. You really should. I will urge you to solve for Y as well, and then use those X and Y values to do proofs and see to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Okay? But that's the general. And I've just decided let's go ahead and solve this. Why not? Okay? Let's subtract 5,900x from both sides, and we get over here, let's see, 15, if we borrow from here and get a 6, 1600x equals 88,000. And oh my gosh, you can see how badly this pen is doing here. Sorry, 88,000. And then if we divide both sides by 1600, we get x equals, and I'm going to do the math over here. First thing that I'm going to do the math is I'm going to cancel out two sets of zeros, and I'm going to do 880 divided by 16. Okay, 880 divided by 16. How many times does 16 go into 80? It goes in 5 times. That is 80, leaving you with an 8. And then when you bring the 0 down, 16 goes into 80 another 5 times. And we get the answer 55. And since X represents the number of performances, how many performances do we need to break even? We would say 55 performances. And they're not asking for the revenue, they're just asking for that. So